Hey guys, Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful new Forest River Wolf Pup 16LP. Small, lightweight, 3,100 pounds, bunk beds, perfect starter coach for the whole family. 20-pound LP tank up front, battery tray. We do put a brand new battery on board, manual crank tongue jack, power awning, outdoor TV hookup, outlet, nice big bumper. Again, real lightweight, real simple. I apologize for the wind, it's a windy day. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Water heater, water fill. Again, this is just a nice, small, lightweight way to get into the camping industry. Get out and have fun. But when you step inside, up front, big queen bed, storage up above, storage above the dinette. The dinette converts into a small sleeping area as well. You got your bunks, little step-in shower, skylight, toilet, fridge with flip-up freezer, microwave, hood vent, 2-burner cooktop, single basin stainless steel sink, storage right there, and AC. So it is smaller, it is simple, but it is lightweight. It's affordable. Again, only 3,100 pounds dry. Just a great way to get started to go camping and take the whole family. You got plenty of sleepability, no slides, easy to tow. Pretty easy to tow with a smaller SUV with a 5K rating as well. So I know this is a quick video, but thank you so much. Call me if you have any questions, 218-225-8463. Again, Michael Koski, Bullion RV. Thank you so much and have a great day.